Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get DeepSeek API. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here, deepseek.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can get started. So to be able to get a DeepSeek API, you're going to need an account. So what you can do is click the Start Now button right here. That's going to go ahead and open up the registration process where if you do not already have an account, you'll be able to create a new one. And if you have an account, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can get started with using DeepSeek, whatever version you want, and so on. And now we can get started with getting API. So basically right here in the upper right corner, you're going to have the API platform that we want to open up. After opening up the API platform, is going to open up this new platform where you can find your dashboard guys and everything you need. You have your balance right here, how much your expenses are, and so on. Everything you need to take a look at how to use the API services. And basically the left side screen, you're going to have your API keys. So if you want to use your API keys for whichever program you prefer, you can just go ahead and create a new API key right here. So you can give it a name, create your API key, and once you have created your API key guys, you can go ahead and add it to whatever program you are using to go ahead and get started with using API directly from here. And that is it, how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.